Hey, what's going on YouTube? All right, I'm back for another video. Now today I'm doing a quick video to help anybody out there that may be suffering from the same symptoms that I'm doing with my blower motor again. I recently on my car replaced the voltage regulator. I got one off of eBay for about $25, I think it was, free shipping, which I thought would be a great deal. Installed everything into the car. See, I had to take everything apart again. Installed everything in the car and everything was working great. But about 3 days ago, when it was 27 degrees outside, the fan stopped working in the auto mode. So I clicked it to the low, it worked, then that stopped, and then it only worked on high. So I was like, what the heck is going on here? I actually thought it was the new fan cage, or the squirrel cage fan that I had purchased, but that wasn't it either. All right, so just wanted to show again with the fan that's wrong with my fan. See, I have it in the auto mode. I'll turn it on the defrost for the front, and it's usually supposed to come right on right away. So it doesn't work in auto. It does not work in low. It does that in the high mode. And that's pretty much about it. And throughout that, it'll just cut off and on, off and on, off and on. Alright, so I'm going to quickly change out. Here's the eBay voltage regulator that I bought for about $22, something like that, $25, $22. And as you just saw, it only works on high now. After about 3 months, I've only had it for about 3 months. So I'm going to put the original Bosch one on, and let's see how that works. Alright, so I just have everything kind of just gently sitting in place with the Bosch voltage regulator replaced, and I just wanted to show you. Now I put it back on auto. I just turn it on anything. See? Now it's working immediately. Turn it on low, really low, and then high. Now it's working. So everything's pretty much working as it's supposed to with that. All right, so now you've seen those two things. If you suspect that maybe it's just your fan itself, you can do another test by, if you have another voltage regulator around, you can just plug it up. There's a little plug for that right there. And you can see if that's working. It should come on and off. But if that's okay, you can also check right here along the side of the car. It's the fuse, the strip fuse. You can check that, make sure that's okay. Mine's is good. I just recently replaced it. And after you replace that voltage regulator, especially the ones from eBay that are very, very cheap, I don't think it's really worth it, because I'm gonna have to buy another one. Alright, so yeah, to pretty much kind of sum up this video, check your squirrel cage blower motor, which is pretty easy to do. These pretty much fail kind of in a sequence. Usually it starts making some kind of bearing noise or squealing at it as it operates, and then it usually just either comes on or doesn't. So this is pretty easy to diagnose. I bought this one on eBay, and it, you know, it worked pretty well for the price. But which a lot of people don't know, and they end up kind of confused about this situation. They automatically think it's your squirrel cage blower, but it's the voltage regulator. And like I said, I bought this on eBay for about $20 to $25, and I'm kind of disappointed with it because now I have to return it and pay for the shipping, and then they have like a return fee for this. So it's kind of like, okay, that really wasn't worth the money with this. So I hope this kind of helps anybody that's out there that may be struggling with kind of intermediate fan operation. I have a crow in the background. You know how they like doing that, making noise while you're recording. Anyway, so like I said, if this helps you out there, if you have any questions or anything like that, I will try to respond back to you guys out there, because it's kind of important to me to keep this community going. You know, our cars are very, very old, and a lot of people don't know how to work on them anymore, and the information is scarce. So if we can keep our community going, that's great. If you want to, you can hit the like button and check out some of my other videos, and please subscribe if you find this material interesting at all, and hope to see you in the next video. All right, later.